Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 4 and part 6. In this video we will discuss some definition. First is atomic number. It defined as number of proton in an atom. In any neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. First is atomic numbers 1 to 20. The first element is hydrogen. It contains its atomic number is 1, so it contains 1 electron and 1 proton. Second, in helium, it contains 2 electron and 2 proton. Next, lithium. It contains 3 electron and 3 proton. Next, beryllium. It contains, in beryllium, its atomic number is 4, so it contains 4 electron and 4 proton. Next, boron. It contains 5 electrons and 5 proton. Next, 6 carbon. It contains 6 electrons and 6 proton. Next, nitrogen. Nitrogen's atomic number is 7, so it contains 7 electron and 7 proton. Next, oxygen. It contains 8 electron and 8 proton. Next, fluorine. Fluorine F9, its atomic number is 9, so it contains 9 electron and 9 proton. Next, neon. Neon 10, its atomic number is 10, so it contains electrons and 10 proton. Next, sodium. Sodium's atomic number is 11, so it contains 11 electron and 11 proton. Next, magnesium 12. It contains 12 electrons and 12 proton. Next, aluminium. Its atomic number 13, so it contains electrons and 13 proton. Next, silicon. Silicon 14. Its atomic number is 14, so it contains 14 electron and 14 proton. Next, phosphorus P15. It is a symbol of phosphorus P. It contains 15 electron and 15 proton. Next, sulfur. It contains 16 electron and 16 proton. Next, chlorine 17. It contains 17 electron and 17 proton. Next, argon. Argon 18. Its atomic number is 18, so it contains 18 electron and 18 proton. Next, potassium K19. It contains 19 electron and 19 proton. Next, calcium 20. Its atomic number is 20, so it contains 20 electron and 20 proton. First is hydrogen, its symbol is H. Second helium, its symbol is He. Next lithium, its symbol is Li. Fourth beryllium, its symbol is Be. Next boron, its symbol is B. Next carbon, its symbol is C. Next nitrogen, its symbol is N. Oxygen, its symbol O. Fluorine, its symbol F. Neon, its symbol Ne. Next sodium, its symbol Na. Next magnesium, its symbol Mg. Next aluminium, its symbol Al. Next silicon, its symbol Si. Next phosphorus, its symbol P. Next sulfur, its symbol S. Next chlorine, its symbol Cl. Next organ, its symbol Ar. Next potassium, its symbol K. Next calcium, its symbol Ca. The topic is atomic number. We know that atom is a neutral. Atom is a neutral. Atom is a neutral because number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Suppose in case of hydrogen, it contains its atomic number of proton is equal to number of electron. I mean it is a atomic number. Suppose first is a hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. Atomic number is 1. It contains 1 electron and 1 proton. Why? Because the proton is positively charged. And the electron has negatively charged. Suppose in case of hydrogen, the electron is 1 and proton is 1. So proton has 1 positive charge, 1 proton and 1 electron. So it contains plus charge and negative charge. So these charges are cancel out. So atom becomes neutral. Next is suppose in case of sodium. Its atomic number of sodium is 11. It contains 11 electrons and 11 protons. So in case of sodium, it contains 11 positive charge and 11 negative charge. So these charges are cancel out. So the atom of sodium contains 0 charge. I mean it is a electrically neutral. It is also a electrically neutral. Last example is in case of magnesium. In case of calcium 20. Its atomic number is 20. So it contains It contains 20 electrons and 20 protons. In this proton contain 20 plus charge and electron contain 20 negative charge. So these charges cancel out. So calcium also, so the calcium atom is also electrically neutral. So calcium atom also calcium atom is also electrically neutral.